In this lesson, we'll solve the exponential equation 49 to the x minus 42 to the x equals 36 to the x. We'll transform it into a simpler quadratic using a smart substitution, and then solve for x step by step. Step 1. Recognize patterns in the bases. 49 is 7 squared, 36 is 6 squared, and 42 is 7 times 6. Rewrite the equation using those factorizations, and then use exponent rules. Step 2. Divide every term by 6 to the x, all squared. This keeps the equation balanced and prepares it for substitution. After simplifying the fractions, we get open parenthesis 7 over 6 close parenthesis to the power 2x minus open parenthesis 7 over 6 close parenthesis to the power x equals 1. Step 3. Use substitution. Let u equal open parenthesis 7 over 6 close parenthesis to the x. Then the equation becomes u squared minus u equals 1, or u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. Step 4. Solve the quadratic using the quadratic formula. U equals negative b plus, or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. Here, a is 1, b is negative 1, and c is negative 1. That gives u equals the quantity 1 plus or minus the square root of 5, all over 2. Because u equals open parenthesis 7 over 6 close parenthesis to the x, u must be positive. So, we keep the positive root. Step 5. Back substitute and solve for x. We have open parenthesis 7 over 6 close parenthesis to the x equals 1 plus the square root of 5 over 2. Take natural logs of both sides. X times the natural log of 7 over 6 equals the natural log of the quantity 1 plus square root of 5 over 2. Solve for x by dividing by the natural log of 7 over 6. Now, compute a numerical approximation. Intuition check. The left side minus the right side is 0 at this x value, and our steps preserve the equality and positivity of the exponential terms. Final answer. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.